Good day everyone, my name is Kaylan Alejandrino from BSHM3B. I'm here to present to you my program planning in 1 week celebration of Skills Olympics, the annual activities of CHMT department. In making this program planning, I consider myself as a planner manager which I realize that it's not easy to be because you have to be critic in every situation and you have to consider the small things because it can affect the whole program. On day 1 program, it will start at 7 a.m. and it will end at 5 p.m. Before 7 a.m., the student will be in Siniluan Court for the parade. 7:30 to 9:30 is the estimated time of the arrival of students and faculties in the Siniluan Gymnasium. 9:30 to 10:30 is for the welcoming every year of CHMT students, while the host welcoming every years of CHMT. It will also the time for the students to take their snacks individually. 10:30 to 12, it will be the opening remarks from the Dean of CHMT, Mr. Fritz Alcantara, and the OFHM advisor, Mr. Antonio Niegas. 12 to 1 will be the lunch. 1 to 1:30, all the students, teachers will freely enjoying every booth, the ambience, the foods, and the activities that they prepare. 1:30 to 4:30 will be the cocktail exhibition. It will held on the gymnasium. 4:30 to 5 is the closing remarks from the president of the CHMT organization, Mr. Christopher P. Oli. In day 2 program, it will start at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 7:30 will be the opening remarks, and it's the time to introduce the judges for volleyball. 7:30 will be the start of volleyball for girls until 10 a.m. 12 to 1 will be the lunch. 1 to 2 is for the students who wants to experience the foods of every booth. 2:30 to 3:30 will be the cake decoration. It will held on the CHMT laboratory. 3:30 to 4:30 is for the sepak takraw in front of the gymnasium. 4:30 to 5 will be the closing remarks for the day 2 program. On day 3, it will start at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 7:30 is the opening remarks. 7:30 until 10 a.m. is volleyball for boys. 10 to 12 is fruit carving competition in gymnasium. 12 to 1 will be the lunch. 1:30 to 3:30 is badminton. 3:30 to 5 will be the closing remarks for the day 3 program. And day 4, it will start at exactly 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. will be the opening remarks. 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. is flare tending competition. The event place will be in front of LSPU. 10 to 12 will be the tourist guide competition. Start on the hallway of gymnasium through the back of library. 12 to 1 will be the lunch. The program will continue at exactly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 to 2:30 will be the dance competition. 2:30 to 3:30 will be the market basket, and 3:30 until 5 p.m. is the exhibition of all booth. On day 5 competition, it will start at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. is the opening remarks. 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. is the bed making competition. The event place is on CHMT Hotel. 10 to 12 will be the table skirting, and 12 to 1 is the lunch of everybody. The program will start at exactly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 to 3 is basketball for the boys. 3 to 4:30 poster slogan. The theme is all about CHMT. 4:30 to 5 will be the closing remarks for the program of day 5. Day 6 will start at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. until 8 a.m. will be the opening remarks. 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. is for the table napkins competition. 12 to 1 will be the lunch, and the program will continue at exactly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 to 5, HMT pageant. On the last day, day 7, the program will start at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 7:30 will be the opening remarks. 7:30 to 8:30 is the front office competition. 8:30 to 10 is waters relays. 10 to 12 is basketball for girls. 12 to 1 will be the lunch, and the program continue at exactly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 to 6 will be the preparation for the business night. 6 to 7, arrival of the professors and students. 7 to 8 will be the speech of the CHMT Mr. Fritz Alcantara and the OFHM advisor Mr. Antonio Niegas. 8 to 9 is dinner. This dinner is buffet. 9 to 10:30 will be the awarding of all the participants who win in every activities. 10:30 to 11:30 will be the performance of live band, and this is the chance also to dance on the dance floor. 11 to 12 onwards is the time for the students and the faculties to enjoy the company of everyone. Criteria, rules, and mechanics of every activities.